Hey, this is Susan Pryor. Thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to serve you and to be part of your financing experience. We're getting here to this closing part. I want you to know how committed we are. We hope you had great 5-star service. If we let you down in any way or you have any suggestions about how we could do a better job, please reach out to me. We always want to get better. We hope that you will have liked our experience enough to tell your family and friends when you hear them talking about financing, moving, buying, selling. Our business is 100% referral based. That allows us to really focus on the client, and so we would love to serve your friends and family. So let's talk about your closing. The closing attorney is the one who's going to give you wiring instructions if you have to pay any money in closing. They are the only ones allowed to give it to you, and you'll want to go over it with them on the phone. And then Brandy's going to let you know what to expect at closing, if you're getting money back or how much you're going to pay if you have cash to close. And then you can arrange to make sure you ideally wire the day before closing if possible. You can wire the morning of closing if that's the only option that you have. Just let us know what you're planning to do. The closing is going to take about 60 minutes. You're going to sign a bunch of documents. They're going to send some of those documents over to our office so that we can review the signatures and just make sure you don't have to come back to sign anything. Then we're going to issue a funding number, and then your loan will fund and you'll be good to go. Make sure you bring your driver's license, and I always recommend that if you have a checkbook that you bring a checkbook, because sometimes at the last minute, something that's not involved with us, something like tax prorations or HOA, will change by a few dollars, and you might have to write a check for $50 or something. So I always encourage you to bring one check if you have a checkbook. If you don't have a checkbook, then I recommend that you wire about $500 extra. That way you can get a refund from the attorney's office for any overage, and you won't be stressed out if somehow the final number changes by $50 at the closing table. So we wanted you to know that we're going to be here for you for forever. We are licensed in 12 different states. So when your friends or family or you move to Virginia or Texas or Colorado or Florida, we're going to be here for you in any of those markets and 12 others. When you go to buy your investment property or your second home or you refinance, we do all that stuff. If you ever get something in the mail from somebody else that you are curious about, send us a picture of it, give us a call. We're always there for you. Now, a few other things that are going to happen. When you do a mortgage with us, it becomes public record that you did financing and that we were your lender. And so what happens is people buy that information. So we will never sell your information, but sometimes they will send stuff in the mail that looks like it's from us. And it will say that they're trying to sell you mortgage insurance or whatever. We're not going to try to sell you anything else in the mail. So just know that they bought the information at the tax records, and just throw that stuff in the trash. Again, if you have any questions, shoot us a picture, give us a call. We are always here for you. A lot of you will want to set up automatic payments. We recommend that you wait a couple of months after you close to try to set that process up. It takes a while for all of your information to get into the servicing system. Sometimes we will not service your loan, we'll sell your loan to a different servicer, and in that case you're going to get a letter saying that you're going to make your payment to somebody else. That always settles down in about 2 months. So I recommend you make it an online one-time payment for your mortgage for the first couple of months, and then you can set up automatic ACH payments going forward. If you ever have any questions about that process, just shoot us an email. Our servicing department will jump in and make sure you get exactly what you need. Okay, so homestead exemption. If this is your primary residence, then between January 1st and April 1st of next year, you're going to need to go online and tell the county that this is your home, this is your homestead. By doing that, you'll get a discount on your tax bill next year. So if you don't tell them that, then you won't get that discount on the tax bill. So your real estate agent's probably going to be all over you on this, but I just like to tell you this. The attorney's probably going to tell you it again at closing. Maybe make a note to yourself for January 1st that between January 1st and April 1st, you have to go online with the county and tell them that the home that you bought is your homestead. And some counties make you provide some information. Again, if you have any questions, you reach out to us and we'll help you figure it out. We want you to know that we have a ton of professional relationships. So if you need short-term life insurance or you need car insurance, or if you need a financial planner. Those are all things we have great referral sources for you. So please always feel like you can reach out to us when you need a professional referral. So that's it. Have a great closing. We are on standby during your closing. If you have any questions, call our office and we will be right there to take care of any questions you have. If there's anything in the paperwork that you don't understand, we look forward to working with you. You will hear from us over the years. We plan to keep in touch. Let us know. Thanks.